Namaste and welcome back everyone. Now we are going to learn about the instantaneous and average speed and velocity. So what is average? Average means the mean. So what is mean? Mean is the average. So how we determine the average or the mean? Technically the mathematical formula is quite simple. Just add all the velocities in all the possible scenarios and divide by the frequency. Like there are two different speeds in our entire journey. The first half is going with 60 km per hour and the second half is going with 40 km per hour. So these are the two velocities or two speeds in this case. So our average becomes 60 plus 40 divided by 2, that means 100 divided by 2, which is 50 km per hour. Actually we have never traveled in our entire journey with 50 km per hour, but that is the average. So average tells us about an idea that which the entire journey is progressing. So when you multiply average velocity or average speed with time, it always gives you the entirety of the distance and displacement. So this is its speciality. Like if we multiply 1 hour with 50, it gives us 50 km. But if we multiply 60 km per hour with 1, it will going to give us the extra 10, which is 60 km. And if we use 40 km per hour and multiply it with 1 for the entire journey, we are going to get 40 km. But the actual distance is 50 km. So average is the composition for the distance and time for the entirety of the journey. Now let us understand what is instantaneous. Instantaneous itself means at the moment. What at the moment the motion is. Like for example, when we started traveling and our speed is 0, so you can say that this is my instantaneous speed or velocity, which is 0. Now imagine that you started and the 5th second you saw that your speedometer is showing 25 km per hour in the 5th second. So at the 5th second your speed is 25 km per hour, and this is known as instantaneous speed or velocity. In this case, velocity and speed does not make much of the difference because we are talking about the journey and we are taking a particular period of time. So this is about instantaneous and average. We are going to work on instantaneous and average on the basis of the numbers and question in the next video, and in that we are going to learn in detailed way how the average and instantaneous actually work. So stick with me, take care, God bless, and namaste.